course 10 Hoops, which owns the Seattle Storm, recently announced that WNBA legend Sue Bird has joined its ownership group. Bird played 19 seasons with the Storm, and her career included 4 WNBA championships, 13 All-Star Game appearances, 8 All-WNBA teams and 5 Olympic gold medals.
She retired at the end of 2022 after an illustrious career, both in college and the WNBA, but her business ventures were only getting started. As a player, I poured my heart into every game for the Seattle Storm, and now, as part of the ownership group, I am thrilled to continue contributing to the growth of the game, said Bird.
Investing in women's sports isn't just about passion, it's smart business. It's about recognizing the immense talent, dedication, and market potential our league has always had. This is the second professional sports team Bird has invested in, the first being the NWSL's NY Gotham FC in 2022.
Bird and her wife, legendary United States women's national team soccer player Megan Rapinoe, launched the production company A Touch More in 2022. In 2021, she co-founded the media production company T.H.T, alongside U.S. national team player Alex Morgan, Olympic snowboarder Chloe Kim and Olympic swimmer Simone Manuel.
The ownership announcement comes less than a week after the Storm unveiled their new Center for Basketball Performance, the first dedicated WNBA practice facility designed and built from the ground up. It is a $64 million, 50,000 square foot practice facility and team headquarters.
Together, we're not just shaping the future of basketball, but also paving the way for a more equitable and inclusive society, Bird said. More WNBA Hailey Van Lith joins seasoned pros on FIBA 3x3 roster ahead of Paris Wings could play in a new arena in Dallas as early as 2026. Rivals to teammates. Angel Reese and Camila Cardoso are happy to be teammates.